Hello guys, this is Annie. I'm glad to introduce some nipple drinkers to you. They provide sufficient water for optimum bird growth and efficiency. Reduce labor. Some open watering systems, such as bell-shaped drinkers, V-Troughs, and cups, need to be cleaned and disinfected daily. Broilers are healthier with mortality when drinking from nipple drinkers. Bacterial contamination of the drinking water is greatly decreased and litter conditions are usually much improved. Nipple allow access to water on demand, one drop or a steady stream. Water nipples only work under low pressure, 5.5 sterilized. Don't connect directly to a house pressure. If you want to have it connect directly to a drinking pipe, then a water pressure regulator is required. The nipple drinker system should allow for height adjustment as per the bird size. It is classical nipple drinker for round pipe. The arm is straight. It weighs 32 grams. This one is our new style nipple cup. The arm is bent. It weighs 35 grams. Both of them are suitable for round pipe with diameter of 25 mm. The volume of drip is 90 to 100 ml per minute. Both of them are pure material production and they are for broiler. This nipple drinker is full layer. The volume of drip is 60 to 80 ml per minute. It is pure material production. There is a steel ball inside. It can rotate 360 degrees. This cup is for square pipe. It's used with this nipple together. This is accessories for square pipe. It is hung with rope, easy to install. We promise that every product is tested before selling out. The product will not leak. Thank you.